Hello everyone. So guys, dito po tayo ngayon sa Mega World, Iloilo. So ito po ang kanilang design dito sa Mega World, Iloilo. That is, they have a lot of emperador here. Casa de Emperador. Dito tayo guys sa Mega World, Iloilo City. So napakaganda po dito yung kanilang mga design. Ayan po. Yan, meron pa dyan po picture. Dito is meron doon kabayo sa babaw. General Martin Teofilo Delgado is a great hero of Panay Island. Birth November 11, 1858 of Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Death February 12, 1981. Quezon Island, Palawan. Delgado love is for the Philippines and the Filipinos, drove him into the fight probably for the liberation of the country during the revolution against the Spain and the Philippine-American War. Yan guys. So, yan. Ang ganda. Diyan sila maraming pa picture guys.